Hello, and welcome to Light Inside Light, where stories shine with the love of Jesus. I'm so glad you're here today. Get ready for a fun, faith-filled adventure full of God's truth, kindness, and joy. Whether it's a Bible story, a worship song, or a lesson of love, this is a place where God's light lives inside every heart. Are you ready? Let's jump in and grow together in God's love.
Title: The Elephant and the Power of Unity. Unity means sticking together. When we help and love each other, we are strong like a team. Even in a family, when we stay united, nothing can break us. God loves it when we live in peace. The sun was shining, birds were singing, all the animals were happy. Well, almost. Because inside that forest lived a dangerous animal called Pax. Snaily the snail, Iggy the iguana, and Jot Cheeky Squirrel were small, kind creatures who loved peace. But they were always frightened of Pax the panther, the meanest animal in the forest. Snaily trembling, "Why does Pax always chase us? I only wanted to get to the blueberry bush." Iggy: "He says we're weak because we're small, but I think being kind is stronger." Cheeky: "We need help. Maybe Elkanah the elephant will protect us." They went to see Elkanah, the wise and gentle elephant who lived by the river. Snaily bowing, "Please, Elkanah, can you help us? Pax keeps scaring us." Elkanah the elephant softly, "The Lord gives strength to protect the weak." Proverbs 18:10 says, "The name of the Lord is a strong tower, the righteous run to it and are safe." I will help, but we must do it together. The plan: Elkanah gathered the animals of the forest. Even the shy ones like Millie the mole and Tico the turtle came. Elkanah: "Pax uses fear to divide us." But Ecclesiastes 4:9 says, "Two are better than one. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. Together we are stronger." They prepared a peaceful trap, not to hurt Pax, but to show him that he was not the biggest power in the forest. That night, Pax crept into the clearing, eyes glowing. Pax growling, "Where are my scared little snacks today?" But this time no one ran. Elkanah stepped forward. Behind him stood the iguana, the snail, the squirrel, the mole, the turtle, all together. Suddenly, Pax stepped on a patch of mud mixed with honey and leaves. He slipped splash and landed right into a puddle of sticky goo. The animals surrounded him. Elkanah calmly, "Pax, we don't want to fight, but we won't let fear rule us anymore. We are united and we choose peace." Pax embarrassed and shaken, "Why didn't you hurt me?" Snaily, "Because God teaches us to overcome evil with good." Romans 12:21. Iggy, "And we believe even panthers can change." The change Pax sat in silence. Then slowly, he began to cry. "Pax, I was mean because I thought strength came from fear, but maybe it comes from love." From that day, Pax became a protector instead of a predator. He helped build little homes for the smaller animals and guarded them from harm. And so, the forest was safe again, not because of one strong elephant, but because everyone stood together just like God teaches us. Unity is strength. Even the smallest creatures matter. God calls us to protect one another and overcome evil with good. Ecclesiastes 4:12. Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken.